Greetings and welcome to the channel. It's your brother Prince Ayoko sending my lovely greetings to you from Tichele, a suburb of Tamale. Tichele is my father's maternal lineage home. So this is where my father's mother were born, or this is where my father's mother was born. But the former chief to this village was my father's immediate brother. That is my father's biological brother, and he passed on about 5 years ago. So we are just making arrangements to start the funeral tomorrow, and I'm gonna share with you a lot about what women do here and what men do here, just for you to see the culture. You understand? So as you can see here, you can see our sisters processing corn for the funeral. You know, this is the corn that they are processing here, that they're gonna use to cook for visitors to come and eat. And as you can see, all this, you know, soil that has been spread, that is our job. So from morning, like, it took me only like 2 hours to spread all this soil. What we do is we do it manually. So what we do is what? Men are those who do the laborious jobs here, and everybody has got a responsibility. Women has got their responsibility, and men has also got their responsibility. So stay tuned and keep watching what I'm going to share with you. So as you can see, our sisters are very here. They are here busily working on processing the corn. As you can see from a very far distance, this is the community. This is the community. All what you see in the community. So the greenhouse that you see behind me is the palace to this community. That is the palace to this community. Formerly, the palace was behind this mosque. Formerly, that is where the palace was, and that is our original home. But now it has been moved to here, but it is still an ancestral home. So we respect it so much, and we will never abandon it. So that is Tichele community that you see, and this is where this is where my grandmothers come from. That is my father's mother, and she was a queen mother to the former king of Lamashegu at a suburb of Tamale. He was a queen to my grandmother called Lamashana Mummuni. So it was here that my grandmother, got married to my grandfather. But it was here that my grandfather got my grandmother and married her. So as you can see, I'm just taking you through the roots. This is the roots, you understand? This is the typical roots of, part of the royal family that I come from. So, and this is one of my younger brothers. He's a son to my late uncle. And all of us is just busily working. As you can see, he's also doing his painting. He's a painter. Charlie, so say shout out to my followers on YouTube. Yeah, just greet them and...
Okay. Hello. Is this Manan?
Yeah, Abdul Manan. Yeah.
He's my senior brother.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
When you say senior, some people will think it in a different way. Say my elderly brother.
My elderly brother.
Okay. Okay.
Blood. You see.
Yeah, he said
brother.
Blood brother. Yeah. So family, this is where I'm gonna end today's video. On behalf of the royal family here, I say a very big thank you to you for watching. May the Almighty God and the ancestors continue to keep us united and stronger. Till we meet again on my next video. Just look at you see how busy I am today. I don't fear to be dusty when I'm busy working. Okay, stay blessed. We'll meet on my next video. One look.